Hi, this is Mr.Geoduck team, and today I'm gonna show you the project built for embedded systems course as a term one. The task was to create a digital alarm clock using ATmega128 controller and with following modes. The first mode is the normal time with years, months, days, and hours, AM, PM, minutes, and seconds. The second one was the alarm. It is freestyle, and as soon as alarm notice, LED blinks. And the third one is stopwatch. So let me take it through the modes. The first one is the usual clock. The second one is an alarm. And the third one, occasionally we did timer instead of stopwatch, but then we added stopwatch. Okay, the first mode. So user can change the date as he wants by pressing button number 2, interrupt vector number 1, increment the years or decrement them, increment the months, so as soon as it gets to 12, it goes back, and change the date. Then the user can change the time, hours, minutes, and seconds. The second one is the alarm. So let me check the time. I'm gonna set it at 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes, fine. And as soon as the time hits 3 minutes and 10 seconds, LED will blink and the alarm will shut down. Blinking, and alarm is shut down. So the next one is the timer. User can set the time as he wants. Let me make it 12 seconds and turn it on. As soon as the timer finishes, LED will blink and the text will be displayed. Blinking, and it's time. The third one is a stopwatch. User can start it, pause it, or reset it. Start, pause, start, pause, and reset. Well, that's all for the time project. Thank you for watching.